Alright, we got the old donk home again. Okay, so this is where we're at. So the certification recheck is on the left, VTNZ recheck on the right. So this is what we've got to do for cert. Secure battery, that's pretty easy. Just need to get a new battery. I've already got a battery hold down bracket down the bottom there, but I need to get a new battery. This one's buggered, one with the little lip on the side, so I can just clamp that down. I've done the brake proportioning valve, steering wheel nut, I've sorted that out. It did say steering lock mechanism, but I need to confirm what he means by that, because I'm pretty sure these cars don't have a steering lock mechanism. Secure right front brake line, done that. Secure back hoses, yeah, I've chucked a few P-clips on those. Exhaust is dumping at the diff, so that needs to go out the back, and that's also jumped over to VTNZ recheck, so it's all in one. Do that for cert and that'll cross that off there. The speedo's bouncing, I'm about to pull that out. Try and just pull that out, strip it, clean it and lube it up. Hopefully that'll be sweet. And brake booster tank. The brake's average because not creating enough vacuum, or I don't know, because of the can that's in it, I think is the case. So we're going to chuck a I'm going to put a tank in there and see if that does the trick. And the tank I've got, grab it out. Where is it? Steve ordered me one of these. So that's it there. That's the tank. It's going to hold more vacuum volume. And that, Steve, where we're going to put that, volume it is, but apparently if we take that hinge off there, this will fit down in behind. So down in here, plenty of room down there. So if I take this hood hinge off and I can mount that to the firewall tucked right in there, you'll never know it's there really, and then run a few wire, few pipes up through here, and hopefully that'll sort that vacuum issue. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to go to a electric vacuum pump, which is more money. So yep, we went through compliance and this is all we had really. Didn't have the seat belts in it. The horn, you know, hook that up. Brake lights aren't going. Improved park brake, that's average. LVV cert, so it's going to jump once that's done. That ticks that off. Exhaust, and to exit behind passenger compartment. NZTA repair cert, so that's the engineer repair cert for the body. That's all done. He just needs to go in and sign that off when we go in for the recheck. So I'm pretty stoked really. I mean, that's all we got from cert and VTNZ compliance. Yeah, pretty happy with that, but between everything else I've got a bit to do, so get into it. Alright, had no brake lights. One issue we've got to fix. So obviously with the Galaxies they have the hydraulic brake light sensor, which was in the end of the factory master cylinder. I could probably tee in here off the proportioning valve, but that means I have to put a T in and probably have to re-bleed the brakes and stuff like that. So these are the wires here. So I just went and got like a generic switch and I'm going to rig that up inside against the brake pedal. So you release the brake pedal, it'll turn the lights on. But to test the lights, you can just put these together, loop them around, and your lights will go. So I did that initially and they weren't going, but I pulled the bulbs out and gave them a bit of a blowout, and now they seem to be going alright. So I just need to mount that, figure out how I'm going to mount that switch. I have to pull these wires through, back through the file. Hopefully there's enough length to go to that switch. Probably screw a bracket off there, and I'll just mount it against it like that, and the brake pedal will go down, activate brake lights. Right, there's a little bracket, there's a switch in it. Should do the trick. My camera's going flat. Stand by. That's pretty much where it's going to go there. Oh. You can see that's where it's going to sit. Push the brake in, activate. So yeah, not too bad. Right, let's get it mounted. Alright, there's our switch and our bracket. Done. I'm going to change those bolts out, that's all I had. I'm going to change them out. And I've got no connectors, so I'm not going to wire it up yet, but I have jimmied it up and it works. So brake lights work when you push the brake. Sweet. So I just got to get some connectors, connect those wires up, tidy the wires up, job done. Take that one off.